Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to freeze your Apple Card. If you've ever misplaced your card or just want to beef up your account security, freezing it is a quick and effective way to prevent unauthorized transactions. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the go-to hub for all your Apple Card management. Open it up and locate your Apple Card in the list. Once you tap on it, you'll see a detailed view with various options. Now, look for the Card Information or More section. Depending on your iOS version, it might be slightly different, but it's usually straightforward. Here, you'll find a toggle or button labeled something like Freeze Card or Lock Card. Go ahead and tap that. Apple makes this simple to avoid any hassle. Before you confirm, remember that freezing your card doesn't close your account. It just temporarily blocks new purchases until you unfreeze it. This is perfect for situations like if your phone gets stolen or you're going on vacation and want extra peace of mind. Once you're ready, hit confirm, and voila, your card is frozen. One quick tip. To unfreeze, just follow the same steps and toggle it back on. It's that easy. Also, keep in mind that any pending transactions might still process, so check your recent activity first. There you have it, folks, a simple guide to securing your Apple Card. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.